content is king. And in today's digital world, brands need curated content that is relevant, engaging, and consistent. If you're thinking of starting a content curation agency in Singapore, 3E Accounting Singapore is here to help you turn your creative skills into a thriving business. Most entrepreneurs choose a private limited company for professionalism, scalability, and tax benefits. 3E Accounting Singapore takes care of the full incorporation process, ensuring fast and compliant ACRA registration. Will you curate content for social media, websites, newsletters, or industry-specific platforms? Identify your target market: small and medium enterprises, influencers, corporates, or e-commerce brands. And build clear service packages to attract the right clients. Strong content curation relies on tools like analytics platforms, scheduling software, AI assistants, design tools, and content libraries. A well-organized workflow helps you deliver consistent, high-quality results. Ready to launch your content curation agency? Let 3E Accounting Singapore guide you from business registration to sustainable success.